Welcome back to my channel. And this time I'm not at home. I'm at my parents' house. And what is in store this time is that I did them a little huge service. Me, my mom, and my cousin, us together, we gave their deck a makeover. And it was everything, okay? Went from 0 to 100 really quick. And all it took was just a little bit of paint. I mean, like, not a little bit of paint, like it took a lot of paint, but just took one thing just to transform it. So isn't that fantastic? So, I mean, like, if you're looking at your deck and you're like, man, what can I do? Just give it a little paint and it will go a long way. And also, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button and also click the bell so you're notified when I post more content and when I post content. And then also, if you are loving what you see and you're having a great time with me, go ahead and just give me a like. I mean, like, don't be shy. Why you gotta play hard to get? Just give me a like. Yeah, you see? Yeah? Yeah, you like? No? It's okay. Just go ahead and give that like anyway. But anyway, I digress because I'm a squirrel. Let's get into it and see the before and then the after of my parents' deck makeover. Ooh. So we're going to give my parents' deck a little love that it's been so desperately needing. Isn't that right, Louie? Yeah, we're gonna give the little deck a little makeover. He's so excited. They just got the new grill. They're trying to get it, presentable for some company, some guests that are arriving over the weekend. Yes, just a fresh touch of paint and, some little decorations. And that, my friends, goes a very long way. Now, it is currently 90 degrees outside, so stay hydrated. Always keep that in mind. H2O for the win. Okay, you know what we're about to do here. Clean the deck. Sweep up any debris from the deck surface so that you have a nice, smooth finish when it's time to paint. So I tried to paint the deck with this roller that my mom purchased, and it doesn't paint as well. It's got this weird texture, like the opposite side of a Velcro piece, and it honestly holds too much of the paint on the brush instead of applying it to the deck. So in my opinion, honestly, what works better is just a regular paintbrush, which you will see throughout the rest of this video. It's looking like we have a ways to go. And away we go to paint. You may say or think, why not use a roller? Or a better roller, it will make the job go by faster. And honestly, it's very satisfying painting with the brush. It's very relaxing and peaceful and tranquil. So, just enjoying the nice summer day, sprucing up, the look of the deck. Very nice. Everything doesn't have to be quick, fast, and in a hurry. Just take your time and just soak in the moment. Also, when you get into the groove of what you're doing, I felt like I was painting a masterpiece, like I was working on a piece of art. And then plus two, you got your jams, your music going to keep you motivated. So it was a blast.
So we lost the light and we're out of paint. But we pretty much got around the perimeter. Looks so much better. Oh yes. So from this to that, oh yeah. Till tomorrow. Have a good night. Well, I mean, you're going to be watching the video, so it's going to be edited, so it's literally going to be a second later. But I'm loving how this is coming along. Can't wait to finish.
Day 2.
Alright, just a little more to go, and it's looking fantastic. Voila! Makeover complete. And there you have it. I mean, it was everything, or at least I thought it was everything. It looked so much better than before. I don't know what was used prior. I don't know if it was like some house paint, which is a no-no. You make sure you go to a store and ask somebody like Home Depot, Lowe's, Ace Hardware, places like that, wherever you can get paint, and ask them the type of paint to use for your deck so that it looks as good as it does now. Woo! And that is not all. So that's it for this video, but tune in because soon I'm going to post another video to create a nice wall decor art. And I'll point out right here, if you take a look, and it's a giant wall between both sliding doors, and something needs to go there. It's so big, and we need to fill the space and create a vibe and make it look pretty, make it look nice, make it look inviting. Just the icing on the cake, to take it to the next level. And I might do some other things, some other little hookups to their deck to really sweeten the ambiance and stuff. So, like I said, stay tuned. And with that, I'm going to send you guys off. So, peace, love, and hugs. Many hugs. All right. Take care, guys. See ya. Bye.